As a brand new feature coming to OnTime for Domino 7.8, you will now have the ability to create online meetings directly from your OnTime desktop client, saving both time and effort. If I quickly select a couple of people and create a new meeting, you can see that I now have the option to click Add Online Meeting. By clicking on this button, I can now choose to either create a Microsoft Teams meeting or a Zoom meeting. Starting with the Zoom meeting, I can easily choose the meeting settings down here as you normally would, and simply click OK and Send to create it. Now all that's left to do is join the meeting, which is done by clicking on this blue Start Meeting button, or this one. For the Microsoft Teams meetings, the process is all the same. I simply create a new meeting, click the Add Online Meeting and select the Microsoft Teams option. Now when I click Send, the meeting will be created automatically and I can join it directly from my OnTime group calendar with the Start Meeting button, same as before.